Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine Katrina, and today we are doing a quick get ready with me for our content day. So if you guys are new here, Brittany, my friend, and I, we shoot content together, and today's a day for content shooting. So if you like this look, you want to see how it all comes together, then you definitely want to keep watching. Okay, you guys, let's get started. So today we're doing a get ready with me. I am about to shoot some content with Brittany, and we're gonna do our makeup look. So I'm already dressed. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna obviously prime. My skin is skinning. I'll have to show you guys some of the new products I picked up that I've actually been really enjoying lately. So skincare video coming soon. But okay, it's gonna be hot today. I think 80 something, and yes, I'm in a sweater, but we're getting some fall content looks in early. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, because when all else fails, that primer doesn't. Let's go ahead and get brows done. Should I do face first? You know what, now is not the time to be trying new techniques. We're gonna go ahead and do eyebrows first. All right, so let's go ahead and conceal. So we're gonna go in with the Lip Bar Cosmetics concealer. Okay, that's better. I needed some more light. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Yeah. Now eyes are good. I'm gonna, oops, I totally forgot that broke. I'm gonna go ahead and prime our lids. So let's go ahead and do the face first. I think I'm gonna do the NARS Light Reflecting Serum Foundation. And it goes a long way. I'm gonna clean that up. All right, perfect. So for under eye concealer, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. And we're gonna go here because I want like a very snatched look. I'm gonna just go higher like that. So it's already gonna draw the eye up. Same thing on this side. Go on the nose. And then go ahead and start to blend out. Okay. Yeah, it's giving snatched. Okay, so just to make sure this is blending pretty well, I'm going to go over this with the concealer brush. I'm not going to add any product. I'm just literally going over where I use that sponge just to make sure everything is blended out well and even. So we're going to do a cream bronzer. This is the LYS BD. I grabbed the shade No Strength, No Limits bronzer. And we're going to bronze right here and right here, and taking the other side of that sponge, kind of like this side, and just pinch it and go up as like a semi-circle crescent kind of shade. And I'm just going right there. All right, now I'm gonna set the face. I'm gonna take the Mented Cosmetics setting powder. I'm gonna find my little puffer. All right, so going in with the puffer. Again, I got these from Amazon. I'll link them below. Okay, so face is pretty much done. Let me set my face, and then we will go ahead and continue with the eyes. So I'm gonna set my face with the Airbrush Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. We're gonna go in with my Old Faithful, the NYX Utopia palette, for some browns, and go right into it. And then we're gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution, the Max Reloaded palette. Love this palette. It has such a vast array of like colors and options. which I really appreciate. And a lot of them are matte, and I love a matte. Y'all know I love a matte. So we're gonna go in with another, no, not that one. We're gonna go in with a angled brush back here. Okay, this looks good so far. So we're gonna take a flat brush. I think this is gonna come out beautifully. Tap and pat. And then taking a very flat brush, something like this, we're gonna go in and add that yellow. And you're gonna kind of go over that green a little bit, but it blends so pretty with that deep plum in the back. And it's like a nice hint of cool mixed with the warm. I'm just gonna, I have to tilt my head more than I can tilt my hands. But yeah, just pat and tap. I feel really 70s. I think it's the sweatshirt, or the sweater, but like it's giving 70s. Sorry, I gotta look, you know. Oh, that came out beautifully. Okay, so the last thing I want to add before I do lips, I do want to add a little bit of highlighter. We're gonna go on with the Mented Cosmetics Peach for the Stars, and we're just gonna like swoop. That's literally it. Just swoop. A little bit on the nose, and a little bit on the mouth. So for lips, we are going to go with the Super Matte Ink Protector. So this is the Juvia's Place Bronze Rose. It's from the Bronze palette. Let me set my face one more time. Okay, I think I like this look. So we are all done. I think this looks beautiful. And I'm gonna show you guys the hair. Ooh. Show you guys the hair. It's a very big, like whoosh kind of look, but I love it. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys like this. Thank you so much for getting ready with me, and make sure you take a look at the vlog so you can see our content shoot day. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, be well, do well, and be safe. And I will talk to you all later. See you.